UK election a market event for you, and how are you positioning, if so?
It's no longer a market event because it's fully priced in. It was probably, strategically speaking, a good choice for Prime Minister May, who's likely to be re-elected, assuring some kind of continuity in these negotiations. The long and short of it is I see no insurmountable political obstacles to reaching some kind of a deal after those 2 years of negotiations, provided that the diplomats will be given not only the time but also the discretion to be able to negotiate this behind closed doors. But what makes this possible is that clearly both sides have a strong economic and political interest in continuing their collaboration, and at the same time are lifted, their economies are lifted by a strong economic tailwind that is lifting many boats, and that should make it possible to find a face-saving deal for both Britain and the rest of the EU.
Sterling had its worst week this year last week. We're higher today by 0.2%. Where does it end the year?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Sterling, where does it end the year? Cable.
Sterling has had a good run, one that we expected and took advantage of, but we also took profit, I should say, just last week, as we feel that it's run most of its course here, and it seems well positioned, well priced, especially against the euro. And against the dollar, we actually see more value potential in the dollar, which should rise again once the storm over Washington sides away.